In this demonstration, we will be extracting an anhydrous solvent, in this case THF, which is stored under an inert gas from its bottle. To do this, we will use the following apparatus: 2 balloons, 1 dry syringe of suitable volume, in this case 5 ml, 1 dry cap syringe needle, 1 bottle of THF, which should have already inserted 2 needles, 1 short needle with a 2-way valve, the other a longer needle with a 3-way valve. Firstly, fill a balloon with inert gas, in this case nitrogen. Attach the balloon to the 2-way valve as shown. Open the valve to allow the flow of nitrogen into the bottle. Attach the dry syringe to the 3-way valve, followed by another nitrogen balloon. Open the 3-way valve, turning it 90 degrees clockwise so that the other arrow is pointing away from the balloon. Withdraw the solvent. If bubbles enter the syringe, tilt the needle so that the nitrogen bubble is in line with where the syringe meets the valve. The nitrogen can then be pushed back into the bottle. Reposition the syringe and draw up more solvent. Repeat this process until you have the required amount of solvent. There may be a small amount of nitrogen bubbles left in the syringe, but don't worry. Having measured the required amount of solvent, we must now clear the residual solvent from the valve. Rotate the valve back to the balloon, 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Withdraw the plunger further to bring up all of the residual solvent and nitrogen. Holding the valve, remove the syringe, turning it upside down and quickly place the needle on the end of the syringe. After removing the syringe, you will hear the nitrogen balloon deflating. This is not a problem as the valve is closed and the system is under nitrogen from the other balloon, so no moisture can get into the bottle. You now have your solvent prepared, ready for use in your reaction. Once the 2-way valve has been closed, you can leave the balloons attached, ready for another student to use.